What's up, guys? So my spoiler's finally in. It's been here for like 5 days now, and I'm finally gonna unbox it. It's too big to fit in my car, so I have to unbox it here. And yeah, so I'm just opening up all the staples. Wow, cardboard for my spoiler. No, I'm totally kidding.
So
You're wearing the watch. I got him this watch. But
Christina made it to the house.
and what I got in my car right now, I have my front lip, I have my spoiler, and my mud guards, and I managed to fit that all in the Z. So
That's crazy.
I
And
just
mind you,
ran
there's not a
away.
lot of room, as you can see, in a 350Z.
So we're about to reveal the spoiler because I haven't seen it yet, and Grant hasn't seen it yet. So
Yeah, it's my first time seeing it, so let's see it. If you guys are wondering, yes, we did wrap part of the taillights just for the heck of it. It's not a permanent look, but probably gonna fall.
So this is the N2 wing slash spoiler slash whatever you want to call it. It's actually a spoiler, but it has carbon fiber sides too, so we're not missing out on the CB. Still unwrapping. We have like 4 or 5 layers.
So now we got the next layer done, and we have another layer. It's going good. I got my this isn't even a pocket knife, this is a whole ass knife, but it's coming in handy for sure.
More to unwrap. We have another spiral of tape.
Ooh,
I need
see
this. Nice. Ooh, guys. Oh wow, it has way more carbon fiber. What?
What? The whole thing is carbon fiber. Get the fuck out.
I didn't know that.
I thought you said it was just the
Dude,
side.
it was just the size.
Guys, look at this.
What?
Wow.
Dude, I thought we were gonna have to wrap
Holy
it. You guys, all we have to do is just bolt it on now.
Shoot, everything's flying over the yard. Guys, I'm excited, but dude, she is so excited
This
right
was
now.
unexpected, you guys.
Wow.
This is from Express Autos, by the way. Express Autos? I don't remember. Let me.
We'll link it.
Yeah, I'll link the spoiler down below. It's the N2 spoiler.
The N2, so that's basically off like, it's off a Nismo. There's different spoilers, the N1, N2, N3. But wow, this is gonna look sweet.
Alright guys, so after like 8 hours of working on my homework, or project rather, just decided to not give up on it, but kind of give up on it. I was like,
Give up on it.
just a little bit. But right now we're gonna be installing the spoiler.
So we got the light set up going in the garage. We got our 3 main lights right here and 1 bright light right there. Damn. Fuck it up.
We're gonna be drilling the holes right here and that one right there, so we can screw it on. And we're also gonna be using a 3M double-sided like tape around the perimeter. Gosh, guys, throwback during robotics.
Well, you haven't seen one of those in that long.
Since like 2 years.
Well, at the Sloan estate, we have all the tools you may need
Wow.
to your service.
Okay, guys, just checking if it's in the middle. There's a little hole. And now we have to get another one on this side.
What we just did is there's 2 screws underneath the spoiler, and we did use a measuring stick and we measured it out and marked it with a marker, but we also put 2 tapes on the end of each screw and set the spoiler how we wanted it to look on the car, and then the tape.
So we basically marked our spots with the tape.
Correct. Can you give us a little update on what you are doing?
So right now I'm using self-drilling screws to create the hole, and then
Why are you using a self-drilling screw?
because we just snapped the drill.
Yep, you heard her. We just snapped a drill bit into the car
In
and
half.
in half, clean in half, and scratched the wrap. So we threw that away, and now we're just using like self-drill tapping screws. So. Got it.
We did it.
How many holes do we have? 2.
We just have 2.
Awesome.
With all these scratches
All
that
the
are gonna get
scratches.
covered up by the spoiler, guys. It tastes better than Coca-Cola. It tastes like.
Period. That's what I wanted to hear. We're done. We're good. All right, we're good.
So we found the actual steel drill bits, so Now we're gonna correctly drill a hole through my car after these two.
And not snap.
And not snap them and scratch the wrap.
Right. Action.
Alright guys, so after doing like multiple measurements, we finally put holes in my trunk, and now we're gonna wipe down the wrap and put 3M around the perimeter, and then we're gonna what's it called, screw in the screws, the bolts.
You got a whole knife.
Yep.
Are you gonna kill me?
No.
What you gonna do with that knife?
Cut 3M tape.
Oh, I'm calling the police on you.
They won't come.
Why is that?
They're too busy.
Don't even go
Tear
down that
gassing
road.
people.
You are terrible. I mean, shoot, you're not wrong, which is sad. Putting on 3M tape right now, just to add extra security to the bumper.
Yes.
I told her to add more 3M tape along the front because that's probably where it's going to lift up the most, since most of the downforce is going to be generated on the back end of the spoiler. But we're going to take those off and screw it on, and hopefully it looks good.
What's up, guys?
Right.
So we're just destroying the... What's up, guys? So we're just destroying the Z right now, as you can see.
I was just hammering with the screwdriver on this hole,
And now I'm literally bending the
now
metal.
she's bending the metal back.
So we can reach the hole because the spoiler does not correctly reach. Wipe it down, wipe. If anyone knows that TikTok sound.
Now our video is gonna get copywritten.
Right?
No monetization for this
Literally
video.
the most relatable thing you've ever said. So I'm using glass cleaner because I like it the best, cleans the best.
Baby, come give me something good.
Guys, so what I'm doing next is I'm taking some screws that are smaller than the hole and using some Scotch tape to tape them through the hole, like under the trunk, so they stick out on top of the trunk and we know where to place the spoiler.
And then we're gonna take the screws out, and since the 3M's already on there, the spoiler will be set in place. And then we're gonna take the real screws and screw them into the holes that are already there. And we already made sure that they fit, so.
Exactly what he said. Okay.
Now she's taking out the fake screws that we used to align the spoiler, and she's gonna put in the real screws.
Day 2, and we finally got the spoiler on.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, it looks so nice. It's like mad raining outside, but I just wanted to say a couple notes for those who are actually going to be installing an N2 spoiler maybe on their car. So as we mentioned before, we had major issues. The spoiler doesn't fully align with the 2 holes that are available in the Z. I was also going to mention that this isn't obviously the only layer of metal for the Z. There's like 2 more down there, so you have to make sure that you have enough leeway with your screws so they actually fit the spoiler. Your trunk is a lot heavier now with the spoiler, of course, so every time you try to open it up with the key fob, it won't fully open. So this is without Grant touching it. Like, it unlocks but not fully, so your hand has to be on it while you're unlocking. That's a nice demonstration. Look at that nasty trunk. I have so many car things in there.
A week ago.
Yeah, he did. He did a full diesel in my car. What else? Oh, we didn't use the screws that came with it just because I know other people have, so it's not like those screws are trash, but we just use a different one because
Which is longer, basically.
yeah, which is longer. Yeah. So here's a quick overview of the spoiler. We have the top. There's also something that covers this, but I want to keep it without for a while. I don't know, it just looks pretty sweet to me. And then this is the bottom of it. We have way more carbon fiber top and bottom. And then here's the car. Guys, it looks so mean in the back now. I used to only take pictures of the front, but now I'm going to be taking a lot more pictures of the back, and probably the back only for a while. It looks so sweet. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to mention, I actually didn't vlog this at all. So when I was at AutoZone, I picked up some blue valve caps. As you guys can see, let's focus. And they match my wrap perfectly, and they look so sweet. Touch this one. Yeah, it's definitely coming together like Grant said. Oof, my wheels are a little dirty. Guys, check this angle out. Check out the deep dish rims with the spoiler peeping through. Damn, and the side skirts. I was also gonna mention, I love how the side view of the spoiler counteracts the tail lights almost. It looks pretty sweet. I feel like it's a really nice balance. And there we go. Let me know what you guys think also below. And thank you guys for watching, of course. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you at our next video, which is mudguards. Yeah, mudguards. We're gonna be wrapping parts of the Z, the interior and exterior. Peace out.